Hey everyone, if Opera GX is not opening, stuck on startup, or refusing to launch at all, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get Opera GX running again. First, restart your computer. This clears temporary system glitches that can stop Opera GX from opening. Next, make sure Opera GX isn't already running in the background. Yeah, sometimes it opens, but stays hidden or frozen. Try running Opera GX as an administrator. Permission issues can sometimes block the browser from launching properly. Some antivirus programs or background apps may interfere with startup, so temporarily disable them and try opening Opera GX again. Corrupted cache files can prevent Opera GX from starting. Deleting temporary browser files can fix this issue. If it still won't open, reinstall Opera GX. Yeah, a fresh installation can fix corrupted program files. Make sure your operating system is updated. Outdated system files can sometimes stop apps from launching. Sometimes system errors or corrupted files can block applications. So running a system scan can help detect issues. If Opera GX opens briefly but crashes, extensions might be the cause. Disable them to test stability. If nothing works, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper installation or system issues. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX not opening and get your browser working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.